Hello everyone and welcome to Blackhawk LED Lights. This is an instruction video for you that are buying our newest RGB. Our new RGB is 12 volt, 50/50. These are 10 millimeters wide, so they're much thinner and waterproof than our last models. These are IP68, these are 5-meter rolls. And the reason why I wanted to show you this is that the change that has happened is that we now, instead of using our traditional connectors that look a lot like these Y adapters here that had long extensions, our new spools no longer have the end on here that is the railroad. So these railroads are essentially cut off, so that way you can make any length that you want for your custom wiring harnesses to go to the left-hand side or the right-hand side of your boat using one single Y adapter. Now, the difference is I prefer to use these heat shrink and solder method, but any of these will work. I also prefer to use as a secondary these ones that at least crimp the metal, these butt connectors, and then you can still heat shrink these. I, when installing, really like this tool here, at least for these ones that heat shrink and solder, because it's going to get you a perfect connection that is waterproof, but any butt connector still will work. When putting these together, especially if you're running them, a custom length, this length in between here can be any length that you wish to run it for your custom wiring harness, depending on how wide the beam is on your boat. So you'll just attach any kind of wire there. This here, we still are using the railroad connectors, as you can see, directly from the RF modular. This is what goes to the remote. This, I use dielectric grease here, and then once that's together and I test everything, I slide the included heat shrinking tube here on it, and then I'll hit this with either a heat gun. I really like this Wagner heat gun myself, but obviously you can still use a torch, whatever method that you prefer. When you get to this section here, you still butt connect these together, making sure with these railroad ties that you can see those 2+ signs line up. Power is black, then you have your green, your red, and your blue. But all in all, very, very simple. The only difference in the application now is that these here are put together with a butt connector, which makes a much better connection. You're also able to do all your own custom lengths with your own wiring, and these are a far, far superior model. Now, they do have a sticky back on the back that helps you put them up in place. Marine is such a harsh environment. I would recommend still putting them up, but you're gonna wanna use a silicone adhesive. I prefer Gorilla Glue myself. I just buy it in a caulking gun, run it along my gunnel, or whatever the application is, stick it up there, put it every 8 inches with some blue painter's tape, and then have it all put together. I test everything first. They're included wire here. This just goes directly to your power source, whether it's to your switch, to your battery, to whatever power source you're connecting directly to. This just runs directly in. That controls the RF modular, and that's what your remote runs off of for the RGB. And you can see this also has 12 to 24 volt. You can see your positive, your negative, and obviously positive runs through to there. And when we look at the positive side on this, the positive side is always where the plus arrow is. So do that, put it together, slide all your heat shrinking tube on, test it, make sure everything works, and then go ahead and just heat shrink and put it all together. It's that simple. Hope you guys enjoy the new product.